Did it take pay more than 2 hours to walk a distance of 10 miles along a certain trail? 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers rounded to the nearest nth. And so it looks like each of our statements is in terms of kilometers. And so maybe let's get our prompt in terms of kilometers as well. Did it take pay more than 2 hours to walk a distance of how many kilometers? And so 10 miles. And if we know that we have 1.6 kilometers per mile, 10 times 1.6 is just 16 kilometers. But did it take pay more than 2 hours to walk a distance of 1.6 kilometers? Or sorry, 16 kilometers along a certain trail. And so how else can we rephrase our prompt? They are asking us for the time, but I think it would be better if we can put this in terms of the rate. And so if they're asking, did it take pay more than 2 hours? They're really asking, is our rate less than 16 kilometers per 2 hours, which is just 8 kilometers per hour. So is our rate less than 8 kilometers per hour? Question mark. Statement 1. Hey, walk this distance at an average rate of less than 6.4 kilometers per hour. So if his rate is less than 6.4 kilometers per hour, that is certainly less than 8 kilometers per hour. Makes statement 1 sufficient to say yes. Statement 2, on average, it took pay more than 9 minutes per kilometer to walk this distance. And so it took him more than 9 minutes. That means his rate is less than, and remember, it's not 9/1 because rate is always distance over time. So his rate is less than 1 kilometer per 9 minutes. So how can we do this? We can get this in terms of hours, right? So 9 minutes is equal to how many hours? We got 1 hour, 60 minutes. So 9 minutes would be 9/60ths of an hour, which is the same as 3/20ths of an hour. So his rate is less than 1 kilometer per 3/20ths of an hour. So his rate is less than just 1/3/20ths is just the same as 20/3 kilometers per hour. So what is 20/3 as a decimal? Be 6 2/3. So his rate is less than 6 2/3 kilometers per hour. And because our question is asking, is his rate less than 8 kilometers per hour? If it is less than 6 2/3 kilometers per hour, it should certainly be less than 8. And so statement 2 is also sufficient. D is our answer.